finished all part 1, but here's the final product of it. It's still pretty sticky, but this is what it looks like.
You want more solution added to it? Contact
No,
solution?
look. I think it's working better. It's working a little better.
You're working on it.
Woo! Oh gosh.
Just don't let it fall on the floor. That would be a big mess on the
Yeah, because we have like 3 dogs and they'll eat it. Part of what might have not came out because like something went wrong when we were doing the video on the phone.
Yeah.
So it might not come out. So. You guys might want to saw it. If you didn't see it, you use glue, the whole bottle of Elmer's glue. Also get all Play-Doh. Then you need a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna explain it.
It's fun though.
Yeah.
We'll
Look.
have to do it again. Yeah, look at that.
It's not working now. Oh, now. Oh, it's not. Here.
Like the jump on the floor.
Oh, look. Ooh.
Look. Homemade slime.
Homemade fluffy slime. Oh,
Just watch it doesn't get on the shirt or the floor there.
my arms are tired.
I know, it's a hard workout.
Oh gosh, got stuck.
Got it?
Yeah.
Whoa,
Now you got some.
whoa.
We just went to Walmart Dollars. So if you haven't seen the first one, we got this idea from Piper Rockle, I don't know. But Piper Rockle, so make sure to go check hers out on her channel.
This is fun. Fun
So
stuff.
this is how we decided to do this. You guys can use whatever color dye you want. Look,
Look at that.
I think yours is done.
Hold your hand up.
Oh! Got it on my shirt.
Sorry.
Oh, it's so wet.
Look at this. It's so
You
cool.
just like play around with it, so
It's like a big wad of chewed bubble gum.
I know. It's like a big, what's it called? A big, kind of rhymes with dumb. Something that rhymes with dumb ball. Oh, look at mine.
That's too cool. It actually comes off of your hands.
This is what it'll turn out to be. So, yeah. Feels so weird. Stuff. I feel like I want to stop reading.
We can put it in the bag.
Oh yeah, we need to show. You need to put it in a Ziploc bag or a container, big container.
Look at that. That's cool.
I know. You can play with this, but you need to put it in one of either one, the container or Ziploc bag. So, look, it's actually coming off. Put a little some on mine. Oh, not thick.
Yeah, it's good. Then go like this.
No, my wrist.
Way cool.
I know. It's really fun.
You put a lot of purple dye in there.
I know, because like it wouldn't like work and think of how like,
Kind of looks pink purple.
yeah, pink purple. Whoa. That was a close one.
It's very good for paper.
show my nails. She's helping me. Say hi, Mel.
Hi, babies.
Oh, can't see you because of the jacket.
Hi.
Oh, I have an itchy.
She's got an itchy nose.
There.
This is way cool, Jalen.
I know.
A fun activity.
How about we put it in the bag now?
Okay.
I kind of want to. Whoa! Show the camera that. Look at this, guys. Hello. Whoa. So, that's under our channel. Bye, guys. How do I need you to stop this.